Hi guys, it's MD168. Hi guys, it's MD168. For today's video is unboxing. Uy! Oh my God, asa? Anong nangyari? Han, do you have a knife there?
I think there's one in that little box there.
Huh? Let me see. So, anong nangyari? Ba't nabasa man eh? Ang sa man eh, nakalimot ko kung saan eh ang order. Hoy! I forgot my order. Guys, nandito ako sa amin. Maliit na, dito kami sa labas. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong i-order na ako, guys. Another shopping. Sa Amazon shopping. Amazon online. Ano kaya ang binili ko sa Amazon? Kasi gamit ko na naman ito. Mabawi ko po ang mga pag-shopping ko nito kasi sa racket ko ito. What is this? Oh, it's a map and a bucket with ringer set. So, there's a free map head. Paglinis na talaga ang mga binibili ko, guys. Oh, this is cute. See? This is very cute. Huh? Ay, paglinis talaga ang mga gamit ko, guys. Oh, and then you can drain it. Pull this out and drain the water. So, ayan po ang... Uy! You have a rag, darling? Never mind. I'll use this plastic bag to put it here. There's a free map head. And then this one. Oh, may mga ano siya. Mga tungkod-tungkod. Oh, neat. And then there's some handle. Uy. This is not the right way. Masira naman. Huh? Na. Ipangpasok nila tanan, oh. Pangkuan na siya, dry and wash and dry. Wash and dry. Parang handle. Honey, the handle is inside. I don't know why they do like that. I'm on my recording.
Take this part off.
Oh my goodness, I'm silly. So you left this one so it's easy to remove.
Idiot. Is it the same as the other one?
Yeah, it's kind of the same. And then put this handle like this. This is cute, really. Uy, it's not.
Pop up in there like that.
This is inside now.
Set up there.
Yeah. So this is my little bucket, and then.
Oi, bucket. Or did you need a rag? You want that wet rag?
No, I'll just put it in there.
I'm ready to go get in my captain's chair.
Honey, here. Okay, that's it. This is the bucket.
Bucket.
It's a different bucket, darling. Kani, ganito siya. This is not us. So, kung anong gusto mong haba. So, this is just the connection. And then, you can extend it more. Just put this inside. Then like this. I still have another one to make it longer, pero ganito lang ni siya. Ganito lang ni siya, guys. Right there. Ito lang ni siya. Mayroon tubig dyan. This is wash. Or like this. Okay. Baka masira ko ito. Ganito din. Mas maganda ko yung nandoon sa amin. Huh? Hi! Oh, ganito pala. Yan. Eh, wash yan. It's easier if kung may tubig na. Ayan. Tapos, i-dry mo dito. I-dry mo siya dyan. Mag-dry na siya. Paod lang na siya. Diba? Tambukoy. So, ganyan lang po siya. Taray! So, this is it. So, that's it, guys. And thank you for watching. So, may extra na naman akong panglinis. I think I like the one what we have doon sa Ohio. Pero okay na siya. Mura lang. At least makamap ba? Diba? So, ayun guys. It's $19.99. Ano anong brand? Mamurahin lang siya pero okay na siya. Hindi kailangan bibili ako ng mamahalin. Pang ano lang naman siya. Mop and bucket with wringer set. Installation instructions. So, okay na. So guys, na. Dito na. This is it. Ganito po siya. Tada! So, easy installment. Step 1, step 2, step 3, then map. That's it. Yan, maglinis na ta kay aron makakita tag dollar. So guys, once again, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my unboxing review and our travel and road trip. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Bye. And one more thing before I go, please subscribe and connect to my channel, and I have here I have more videos of unboxing and more videos on travel and more videos on my random. So once again, thank you, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.